Throughout history, the great teachers knew that the secret to effective training was no mystery. Ancient Greek and Chinese philosophers taught us, "Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn." In other words, learning by doing is vastly superior to learning by listening, reading, or watching. At Cubic Advanced Learning Solutions, we apply the wisdom of the ages using cutting-edge technology to create training programs that live in high-resolution 3D gaming environments. Students actually experience what they're supposed to be learning. Our virtual training is more than teaching simple tasks. Cubic creates immersive virtual environments using the same technologies as those used in the best-selling video games on the market today. But our virtual training is more than just presenting the same old material in an interesting format. It combines the best features of computer-based training and on-the-job training with the focus, attention, and fun of video games in a 3D environment. At Cubic, we've developed tools that allow us to provide all of this at costs that rival those of traditional methods. Cubic's approach effectively and rapidly trains workers, improving each individual's skills with a better retention of knowledge. Effective training requires effective instructors. With virtual training, the variability of the instructor is standardized. Instruction adjusts based on the performance and skill level of the learner, just like a live training instructor would. The virtual instructor identifies incorrect actions and their consequences, then adjusts the training to meet the needs of the learner by changing the difficulty levels or providing new practice exercise for some or all of the training. Training can be repeated as many times as necessary in a cost-effective manner, allowing the trainee to master essential skills and ensure readiness, all before reporting for work. Once a trainee has learned and practiced a skill under the guidance of an in-game trainer, he or she then runs the task without help and is evaluated on their performance instead of the multiple-choice test that is standard in most computer-based training. In the real world and the Cubic virtual world, simply clicking all of the above is never an option when smoke is billowing out of an air vent. Cubic is applying this training approach to mechanical, medical, and public safety job training, including high-risk jobs such as firefighting and oil rig work. Virtual training environments can be used to teach people to function within complex systems, even working in teams, without the real-world limitations of safety, cost, and location. We can even accurately simulate real-world emergencies, training firefighters to deal with inclement weather, or training oil rig workers to repair a malfunctioning drill while it is spewing crude oil. And vocational training is just the beginning. Cubic has a comprehensive growth program for this technology that will take us into new markets. At Cubic Advanced Learning Solutions, we've spent 30 years on the cutting edge of military and civilian training. With our game-based learning solutions, we now have the tools to deliver world-class training, featuring the latest advances in educational theory, coupled with the fun and engagement of video games. Cubic Advanced Learning Solutions, combining the science of learning with the art of gaming.